Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Maria. I am an Urban Decay artist from the field and I am super excited to be joining you for this Halloween look today. Using all Urban Decay products, everything, all the brushes that I use will be Urban Decay with the exception of the lashes. For our face, I have already primed with the All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer and we are going to jump in with a little bit of Stay Naked foundation and I'm putting this right onto the optical blurring brush. We're going to give a couple of dots. I'll add a little bit more because I want a really full coverage for this look and just continue blending. Once you have reached your desired coverage, we are going to move on to the Stay Naked concealer and I will be using two shades. One that is a shade that I always use, 60 WR, and then one way lighter. I think this may be second to the fairest shade. And I am going to apply this 1, 2, take our lighter concealer and apply it 1, 2. Using our diffusing highlighter brush, we're gonna blend this. We want a really good highlight for this look. We want to take a little bit of the All Nighter powder, use the same brush, give a quick little swirl, pick up a little of the product, and we are just going to sweep this only up under the eye. Next, we are going to move on to our brows. To create this look, we will be using the 24/7 eyeliners in the shade Woodstock and Viper. Just gonna brush through our brow, brush it up and out and get our general shape. Let's go in with Woodstock right into the front. Once you have your shape, go ahead and brush that out. We're then going to ombre using the Viper eyeliner. Start at your arch and then work your way to your tail. Right on top of the brow, use a angled eyeliner or brow brush. And we are going to use the Wired palette from Urban Decay, one of my absolute favorite palettes, and dip into the shade Savage. And then we will use Gravity just to emphasize the colors. Using the same palette, we are going to give ourselves a little bit of a contour using our contour definition brush. And I will be using Gravity. Use a smaller brush to contour the side of your nose. And I'm just using a small brush from the Make It 3 palette. Gives a little purple definition there. Now we have to add a little color to the cheeks. We're going to use the same brush, but we're going to use the top side of the brush and dip into the shade Savage that we used also for the brows. Use it as our blush shade. Pop this right onto the cheeks and blend upwards and outwards. I like to bring this around the brow area too. Now we have our contour and our highlight happening on our cheeks. We are then going to go in for our eyes and give them a little pizzazz. We will be using Savage all the way around the eye area, followed by Gravity in the crease. I'm going to pick up a large fluffy brush. As you can see, I am dabbing this on. I'm not swiping. If you swipe, then you will shear out the color, but if you press it on, you will get a full pigment. Go ahead and continue to press that on until you get your desired eyeshadow look. Take the same color and sweep it underneath the eye. We want to switch to a flat eyeshadow brush and still use that same shade, Savage, and pack it onto the eyelid. Go ahead and switch to your domed brush. This one is the defining eye contour brush. Use your shade Gravity. Grab a little and go ahead and work that into your crease and underneath. So now we have our pink and purple going around the outside. Use a flat eyeshadow brush using the exact same palette, the Wired palette. Go ahead and dip into Glitch and just trace right up under your brow. And it's okay if you overlap that crease color a little bit. For the eyeliner, I am using the 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Perversion. We are just going to lay this into the top of our lashes and create little dashes. When you're lining your eye, if you create little dashes with these liners, the line will form and you don't have to worry about having a steady hand. Next, we are going to wing this up and out and then connect it to go to the inside of our crease. Okay, once you have your general shape, one thing that I like to do is take a really thin brush and we are going to drag this over the liner. This helps to smooth out your liner. Go ahead and take that same liner and hit it on your waterline. Go ahead and line your waterline at the bottom and a little bit into your lash line. Before I use any mascara, I'll be using the Subversion Lash Primer. As my lash conditioner is drying, let's use that same 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Perversion to complete the little heart that we have here on our nose. And to fill it in, we are using the 24/7 eyeliner in Woodstock. And we are gonna fill in our little heart here. Use the same Perversion liner and we're using it as a lip liner. We are going to overdraw a little bit just to enhance our Cupid's bow and curve to bring this out. Just fill in the corner. We will use a Vice lipstick in the shade Exhibition to bring this together. All that's left to do is a little bit of mascara with Perversion. We have our mascara applied top and bottom. And we are going to add a little bit of glitter. I'll be using the Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. And this is the shade Distortion, one of my absolute favorite shades. We're going to squeeze a little bit out onto a tiny brush and use this to highlight the inside corner of our eye. Here. And then right up under the arch of the brow as well. Take a little bit and draw a straight line right here. We're going to create a little glitter tear. Lashes, again, are optional. I am going to pop on a lash. To complete this look, we're going to take a little bit of All Nighter setting spray. I'm using the Ultra Glow setting spray, and we are just going to set. And here you have your futuristic glam clown Jester. I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope you have a very wonderful and safe Halloween. Until next time, bye.